right, boys and girls, I'm going to take you behind the barn door to meet this cow when she was a baby to now. This is a young cow, boys and girls. One day she's going to have babies. This is when I first met her. Ooh, the cow, boys and girls. There, you're a nice brown and white calf. Yes, look this way. Look this way. Look this way. Yes, look this way. Look this. Look at the. Oh, he's gonna eat my clothes, boys and girls. Oh, you like my shirt? Oh, is it good? Is it good? Yeah. Wow, I didn't know cows like clothes. I didn't know cows like clothes. No, I didn't. I didn't know cows like clothes. I just know it. No. Oh, look at that tongue, boys and girls. That's a licky tongue. Woo. Yeah. Closer. Wow. I'm going to have to wash my clothes, boys and girls. That was a nice move for the boys and girls. You want to say hi again? Huh? You want to say hi again? Yes? Go ahead, say hi. Say hi to the boys and girls. Boys and girls, this is the mooing cow. She's such a beautiful cow. She's had some beautiful babies too. Huh? I just was with the one over there. That's one of her babies. Uh-oh. Like her baby, licking me. You want to lick your baby's licking me? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, right where her baby licked me. Ow! Come over here and see me. Come on, come over here. Come over here and say hi to the boys and girls. Come on. Come on. Boys and girls, tell her to come on. Come on over here and see us. Come on, sweetie. Come and see us. She's coming. Ah, here she comes. Yes. Hi there. Hi there. Oh, she wanted a drink of water after eating. Come here. Moo. Yes. Come on and see the boys and girls. Yes. You're such a good-looking cow. Yes, you are. You got a little itch? Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, that feels good on your neck, doesn't it? Yes. Oh, yes. Got a itch, huh? You know how that is, boys and girls, when we have an itch. We gotta scratch it, huh? We gotta scratch it. Hello there. Yes. Now, what are you looking for down here on the ground, huh? What are you looking for? Ooh. Oh my goodness, you're such a big cow. You're such a big cow. Can you say moo for us? Can you say moo for us? Huh? Come on, say moo. She's grooming herself, boys and girls. She's cleaning herself off. Yes. I see you. Yes, I do. Yes, it's been a while since I've seen you. Ooh, nice ear. Ooh, nice ear. Huh? Now you're got an itch on your ear, huh? Or on your face? Yes, after eating and drinking the water, we get itches. Huh? We get some itches, huh? In different places on our body. Can you give us a moo? Can you give us a moo, huh? Moo. Come on. Come on. Udders, really tiny. But when she gets pregnant, then they'll start getting bigger. Because she will have to nurse her baby.